When I was 26, I took 6 months off drums to go traveling, the longest break I'd ever had since I was 11. I was terrified that I'd lost my hands, that I'd never get my speed back. So I built a 1-minute hand speed workout, a rudiment chain I looped every day for 5 minutes to rebuild my speed, control, and stamina. If you're trying to build speed, endurance, and controlled hands, this is the exact drill that I used to get mine back. What you're about to see in this lesson is just the first bar, the first step in getting it all back. Let's go. The first bar is a loop of 4 rudiments. Paradiddles, right, left, left, left. Inverted paradiddles, right, left, right, left. Doubles, right, left, left. Singles, right, left, left. That's it. The core stickings that every drummer needs to stay fast, sharp, and in control all in a row. There's more, sure, but these are the foundation, and they matter most. I'll play it for you 4 times at 60 BPM as 16th notes. This is our learning tempo, so grab your pad and play along with me. Okay, great. Now that it's in your hands, let's try this at our beginner tempo of 80 BPM. Nice. If you're comfortable at that tempo, you've clearly put in some work. Well done. Now, let's push it to our intermediate goal, 140 BPM. This time, I want you to play it with me 8 times, not 4. That's the new standard. Stick with me. I know you can do this. If you're not ready to go further yet, pause here, come back daily, and build it at your own pace. Next is the tempo where I found myself after 6 months away, stuck at 160 BPM, struggling to push. I remember spending quite a bit of time around this tempo before I could get it any faster than this. I do remember thinking, maybe this is it, maybe it'll never come back, but I stuck to it. I knew 5 minutes, day in, day out, and compound growth dictates you will get better. That's exactly the sort of improvement you see with total consistency. Comment if you'd like to see the rest of the exercise, and for now, 160 BPM. Let's go. Okay, if you can do that, you've clearly got some advanced hands. You've strived, you've worked hard, and you've overcome many an obstacle. Make sure to pat yourself on the back and feel proud. You've earned every ounce of that speed, and trust me, most people never will. Okay, so now let's see who's really got the hands. 190. Let's go. All right, if you made it through that, I'm nothing short of hugely impressed. Well done. This whole thing started when I completely thought I'd lost my hands, when I genuinely feared that I'd never get my hands back, but I made myself a promise. 5 minutes every day, no matter what, no excuses. And for a while, it was just this bar. I stuck with it, built on it, and added to it over time. But slowly, I rebuilt the control, endurance, and speed that I thought I'd lost. Now, it's yours. Bookmark this video, practice it daily, and comment with your progress. I'd love to hear how you do. And if you'd like more, do sign up to the newsletter link in the description below to be the first one to know when the online school launches. See you in the next one.